Hello children, today I am going to start the second chapter of your book First Flight, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom, written by Nelson Mandela. So, Long Walk to Freedom is the autobiography of Nelson Mandela. So, autobiography, what do you mean by autobiography? Autobiography is an account of a person's life written by that person only. Atmakatha. So, Long Walk to Freedom is the autobiography of Nelson Mandela, who was the former South African president. This article is for Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom summary. So, here we are going to know about the long walk of what? Long walk means long struggle to get freedom. This chapter is the extract from the Long Walk to Freedom book. So this is taken from the book Long Walk to Freedom, which is written by Nelson Mandela himself. It includes the description of the inauguration ceremony. Inauguration ceremony means Udghatan, and citation from his speech and about his journey to being a freedom fighter. So, what all things this will include? The description of the inauguration ceremony means उद्घाटन का जो ceremony हुआ था उसके बारे में. Then citation is what? It is a mention of the praiseworthy act in an official report, especially that of a member of the armed force in a wartime. So, and about his journey to being a freedom fighter. It says about the other countless people who fought for their freedom. Means in this chapter we are also going to know about the freedom fighter. As we know now, the freedom fighter of India, Bhagat Singh, Lala Lajpat Rai. The same way, there are freedom fighters. Children, do you know, as Mahatma Gandhi is the father of nation of India, the same way Nelson Mandela is the father of nation of South Africa. In South Africa, a brutal practice named apartheid was very popular in those days. In India, it is caste system, isn't it? Discrimination because of caste. And there what it was? Apartheid. Apartheid is what? It referred to the discrimination between people on the basis of their race and color. Rang bhed, because of white and black. That is, Rang bhed is known as apartheid. It was one of the most brutal societies in which dark-skinned people were deprived of their basic rights. Means even the basic rights were deprived. To get married, to give a good life to his family. These things were also not allowed there. The black were discriminated. It was one of the most brutal societies in which dark-skinned people were deprived of their basic rights. This lesson gives an overview of the struggle of Mandela for making the society with no discrimination, बिना किसी भेदभाव के, on the basis of their color, caste, race, age or gender. So, in this chapter, what we are going to know in A Long Walk to Freedom by Nelson Mandela is about the struggle of freedom of South Africa. On May 10, 1994, Nelson Mandela has taken the vow as the first black president of South Africa. And do you know, children, one thing more, that this 10th May is also known as the Autumn Day in South Africa. Do you know why? because 10th May is known as the Autumn Day in South Africa because African people achieved their political emancipation on this day. They got freedom from the white supremacy. A first democratic, non-racial government was instated in South Africa on this day. So, 10th May is an autumn day in South Africa. This is an important question, so please remember. So, on May 10, 1994, Nelson Mandela has taken the vow as the first black president of South Africa. And you know, children, that for 27 years, Nelson Mandela was in imprisonment. And therefore, it was becoming a newborn democratic country. Nelson Mandela took the oath as the first black president. Many dignitaries from different countries come to be part of the most significant day. In his speech, Mandela thanked all those dignitaries. Mandela assured his countrymen that his country would never experience the same suppression of one by another. Democracy had been established in South Africa, and as a result, a government of no discrimination was established. And do you know, children, that due to this, many countries had been broken off diplomatic relationship with South Africa. But after this day, there was a good relationship. Then the people of South Africa sang two national anthems as a symbol of that day. Mandela recalled the reason of this movement was that black-skinned people were exploited by the white people. He said that this type of suppression of people of South Africa is the origin of many stars. People must learn to hate first, because if they hate, then they can be taught to love, as love comes from the opposite circumstance. Now, you people might be thinking that what should we learn? People should learn to hate first. So do you know why? Because according to Mandela, if anybody can learn to hate, then it is easier to learn love. He also says that a brave man is not who does not feel afraid, but who conquers it. Means what he want to say? That he also says that courage is not the absence of fear, it is the victory over it. In life, a man has two major obligations. Means लाइफ में एक मैन का टू मेजर ऑब्लिगेशंस है, कर्तव्य है. व्हाट आर दे? फर्स्ट टुवर्ड्स हिज फैमिली, टू हिज पेरेंट्स, टू हिज वाइफ एंड टू हिज चिल्ड्रन. मीन्स पहला कर्तव्य किसके प्रति है? फैमिली, पेरेंट्स, वाइफ एंड चिल्ड्रन. एंड द सेकेंड, on the other hand, obligation towards his country, people and the community. Everyone fulfills his duty as per his inclination and interest. But it was very tough to fulfill in a country like South Africa. Means ये चीज़ भी बहुत मुश्किल था South Africa में. It was very tough to fulfill. When Mandela became an adult, then he understood that his freedom was only an illusion. Means when Mandela was a child, जब वो छोटे थे तो उन्हें लगता था कि फ्रीडम वॉज व्हाट, जस्ट अपनी माँ की झोपड़ी के खेतों के पास दौड़ते रहना, खेलना, गांव का जो तालाब है उसमें तैरना, ठीक है, देन खुले आकाश के नीचे भोजन बनाना, मस्ती करना. फिर से इन चैप्टर यू विल जस्ट ऑल्सो नो कम टू नो दैट जो बैल है वो जब आगे आगे जब जा रहे होते हैं, ठीक है, तो उसके पीछे में लटकना, ही वॉज जस्ट थिंकिंग कि ये सारे चीज़ जो है दैट इज़ फ्रीडम। फिर जब वो एक स्टूडेंट हुआ तो उसे क्या लगा कि वो अपने इच्छा के अनुसार पढ़े, रात में बाहर रुक सके, ये सारी चीज़ क्या है, फ्रीडम। बट when he was an adult he came to know that कि no, freedom is not all these things, ये बस एक illusion है। in fact he was the slave of exploitation। उसे पता चला कि ये सारी चीज़ें जो है वो फ्रीडम नहीं है। जब वो एडल्ट हुआ तो उसे लगा कि वो एक परिवार रख सके, उन्हें खुशियाँ दे सके, तो ये सारी चीज़ों का फ्रीडम साउथ अफ्रीका में नहीं था। तब उसे लगा कि वही बस एक स्लेव नहीं है, और भी जो लोग हैं वो भी एक स्लेव ही के जैसा जीवन जी रहे हैं। ही ऑल्सो अंडरस्टूड दैट ओनली नॉट ओनली ही वॉज अ स्लेव बट हिज अदर फैमिली मेम्बर्स वर ऑल्सो स्लेव। According to him, freedom is also mandatory for them who were suppressing others in the past. They also have the right to have it because snatchers of others' freedom is a prisoner of the same. Thus, the oppressor is as much a prisoner as the oppressed. The oppressor too is not free. So the conclusion of Nelson Mandela's long walk to freedom is what? The brave man is not the one who does not feel afraid, but he is the one who conquers that fear. जो उसमें जीत पाले। Mandela said that every man has his duties towards his country and community too. So, I think you people have understood the story. Once you read the story, if you have any problem, we'll again discuss in the next class. Till then, be safe, be at home.